Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get you as a action figure filter on TikTok. Okay, so I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, okay, you have to choose male or female. Okay, let's choose. Okay, wait for it. Okay, okay, quick. Okay, so this is the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, from the trending section. What you can do, it's a new filter, so searching is difficult. Maybe you will not find in search. So go to For You page and search for OMG_AR filter. Okay, now go to users. Okay, go to the creator profile. Okay, now go to the effect gallery. Okay, the first one, you as an action figure. This is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, okay, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video. Okay, me as a female. Let's see what I'm getting. Okay. Okay, movie time.